Diffusion. Diffusion is a type of transport in and out of the cell across the cell membrane along a concentrated gradient. Stuff moves in and out of the cell to try to get to an area where there is less concentration of itself. Membranes are selectively permeable, meaning only certain things can get through. And guess what? It requires no energy. What?
So here's an example of diffusion, like in a diagram. So you have your little molecules of, let's say, water or something is the red, moving in and out of the cell as they please because the membrane allows them to. Whereas you have your bigger molecules that won't go in because the membrane doesn't want them to. So it's showing that they're too big, they don't fit, the membrane doesn't want them. Also, the water molecules are moving from a high concentration of themselves outside the cell into a lower concentration. So meaning they're going from a lot of them in one area to not so many of them in one area. There are 3 different types of diffusion. Simple diffusion is when a small non-polar molecule goes through the membrane, and this does not involve proteins. Channel diffusion involves a protein going through the membrane. Facilitated diffusion involves the transport of protein carriers through the membrane. Lastly, the smaller the particle, the easier it is to diffuse or go inside the membrane.
What?